I'm Lisa. I'm Michelle, and today we're making cloud dough. We only need a few ingredients. You can use lotion, conditioner. You will need some cornstarch, and if you want to add some color, you should add some food coloring. Mommy added 3 drops of food coloring to our bowls. Now we're gonna stir it up. One smells really beautiful. And this too. After you mix your food coloring, you can put your cornstarch in. Be a little bit careful. You don't want cornstarch to get everywhere.
This dough is so much fun. It looks great.
Michelle, how is yours? It looks good. It's going good. It's not that pink anymore. How does mine look? It looks really good. Thank you. Now we're gonna put it on the wax paper. Isn't it supposed to be gooey?
I'm trying to mix with my hands. It's all gooey and slimy.
It's kind of sticky.
Oh,
But I like it sticky.
we're putting a little bit more cornstarch because it was very, very, very sticky.
Thank you. Now it's getting a little better. We're mixing it and mixing it with our hands. It's just like cooking dough, kind of. But don't try to eat it.
Look how it squishes.
I made it really good and I mixed it really good and then first it got a little sticky but I still liked it when it got a little sticky. It's very, very squishy and flat. It's squishy. Ooh, blacky. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.